Hello friends, this video is from Smarter Security Ludhiana, and today I am going to show you a very impressive device, and this is the device that I would like to show you, and how it is working I will tell you soon. Actually this device has multiple use. So first use I would like to share with you today, and this is panic alarm for elder persons at your home. If you have older very old persons at your home and they cannot even call you with a huge voice, so you can use this panic alarm, and this is the panic button. This button you can give them, and when they will press this button, it will automatically make sound, and it also make you also notify you at your mobile. So let us again check this notification, how it is working. Firstly it will sound like this. Okay, very fine. If you are at home, you can listen the sound made by this alarm. If you are not at home, if you are outside, no matter how far you are, when they will press this panic button, it will automatically notify you on your mobile like this. Now you can see this is notifying you on your mobile, so you can take action accordingly. So this was actually main function I would like to show you. Let me turn off the alarm. This is the first thing out of 3 or 4 things this system can do. So this is the only video from Smarter Security. If you want this device, you can call me. Thank you very much.